Guys, I'm back. I look a mess today. Today I saw people doing zodiac sign makeup, so I thought I'd do a makeup of my zodiac sign, which is Pisces, a proud Pisces. Anyways, let's get into the makeup look. Okay, first I'm gonna start with some concealer. Next, I'm gonna add some bronzer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some loose powder all over my face. Okay, next we're gonna move on to my favorite part, the eye makeup. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of blue eyeshadow, which I love. I'm gonna use some this shade with some glitter. Eyeliner. Mascara. Highlights. Lip liner. Lip gloss. And next I'm adding some more concealer. And next I'm gonna use some blush. Setting spray. Okay guys, here's the makeup. I love the eyeshadow. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep it for more.